Membership. So how to become a member of ANTRECCO? Well, it's easy with these 3 steps. First, you have to be educated of what benefits and privileges to be offered by our members through our cooperative. We need to attend Pre-Membership Education Seminar or PMES conducted every Saturday from 8 a.m. to 12 noon. One-on-one orientation conducted anytime, anywhere. On-site Pre-Membership Education Seminar through specific scheduled date and time. After the conduct of orientation, you have the opportunity to fill out membership application form with 2 pieces of 2x2 recent colored picture and pay the required amount as follows. For regular membership will be 4,700 pesos, and these are the breakdown. Membership 100 pesos, mass or members insurance 500 pesos, ANTRECCO medical assistance 500 pesos, initial regular savings deposit 500 pesos, initial share capital deposit 3,000 pesos, and ATM savings open account 100 pesos. For associate member will be 1,600 pesos, and these are the content. Membership 100 pesos, mass or members insurance 500 pesos, ANTRECCO medical assistance 500 pesos, initial regular savings deposit 200 pesos, initial share capital deposit 200 pesos, and ATM savings open account 100 pesos. There are 2 types of membership: the regular membership and associate membership. So what is the difference? Regular membership: a depositor can be a borrower, can automatically apply for a loan, can apply for a nominee for election of officers. Associate membership: only a depositor and cannot apply for a loan, can be a regular member by making the share capital to 3,000 pesos through staggered basis. Now, we have to explain what you have paid for ANTRECCO membership. First will be the membership fee. With only 100 pesos, you can enjoy lifetime membership. For as long as you are a member, you can enjoy the privilege and benefits of ANTRECCO. Mortuary age system, mass or members insurance. Members package of protection and assistance program that covers 24 hours worldwide. Yearly renewable insurance. 500 pesos is for 1 year coverage and is subject for renewal after the maturity date. Eligibility age will be 18 to 64 years old, and exit age is 65 years old. Contestability period of 1 year. Contestability refers to first coverage. If a member dies of natural death within the first year, will be subject for evaluation. Full coverage will be effect on the second year. A total of 250,000 pesos benefits for only a 500 pesos per year. Important reminder, for the automatic renewal of our insurance, it has been approved by the General Assembly to deduct the renewal from our dividend. If our dividend isn't enough, then the member will have to pay over the counter, or else will be deducted from your savings or share capital, and it is approved also by the General Assembly. What will be the benefits of members' life insurance that we paid for 500 pesos annually? Accidental death insurance covers the member in case of death by accident with benefits amounting to 100,000 pesos and without contestability period that automatically covers the member after its first payment. Natural death insurance covers the member in case of death by natural or sickness with benefits amounting to 50,000 pesos, and with a contestability period of 1 year. Unprovoked murder and assault covers the member in case of death by unprovoked murder and assault with benefits amounting to 50,000 pesos and without contestability period. Burial cash assistance. An additional cash assistance amounting to 30,000 pesos but is optional for member in good standing or mixed members only. A mixed member must be first, a God depositor. Member is required to deposit at least 200 pesos a month. Second is good payer. Member is required to pay their obligations not below their monthly amortization and on or before the due date. Residential fire insurance assistance. Additional cash assistance in case of residential fire amounting to maximum of 20,000 pesos and without contestability period. It refers to one residence or address of the member that is declared on the membership form. ANTRECCO medical assistance. Members' medical insurance up to 7 days reimbursable confinement benefit due to accident, sickness, childbirth, miscarriage. Abortion is not included. Yearly renewable insurance. 500 pesos is for 1 year coverage and is subject to renew after the maturity. Eligibility age will be 18 to 64 years old and the exit age is 65 years old. Contestability period of 3 months only. Contestability refers to first coverage if a member is confined within the 3 months. The member is not entitled for reimbursement. A total of 8,500 pesos benefits for only 500 pesos per year. Important reminder, for the automatic renewal of our insurance, it has been approved by the General Assembly to deduct the renewal from our dividend. If our dividend isn't enough, then the member will have to pay over the counter or else will be deducted from your savings or share capital, and it is approved also by the General Assembly. What will be the benefits of ANTRECCO medical assistance that we paid for 500 pesos annually? The member is entitled for 1,000 pesos per day reimbursement from hospital confinement, consumable up to maximum of 7 days per current year. Family members who are not member of ANTRECCO are not entitled for the benefit except children who is 17 years old below. Children are entitled for 300 pesos per day reimbursement from hospital confinement consumable up to maximum of 5 days. No maximum number of children who can avail the benefit as long as they are 17 years old below and they will consume the 5 days benefit. If spouse is also a member of ANTRECCO, the number of consumable days for children will be extended to 10 days. Initial regular savings deposit. A member's required depository account only requires a maintaining balance deposit of 500 pesos. Earn as much as 3% interest of annual basis. You can withdraw anytime you want as long as not below the maintaining balance. A required monthly deposit of at least 100 pesos to become a member in good standing, as we have discussed earlier. Initial share capital deposit with a minimum deposit of 3,000 pesos to become a regular member. Earns high dividend on annual basis, not less than 6%. Dividend declaration is based on annual income of the cooperative. Cannot be withdrawn unless you will terminate your membership to ANTRECCO with approval of the Board of Directors not less than 60 days. Also, it is required a monthly deposit of at least 100 pesos to become a member in good standing. ATM Savings Open Account. Enjoy 24/7 access and convenience. Maintaining balance of 200 pesos. Withdrawable to any ATM machines with BankNet and MegaLink access. We want you to be a member. So what are you waiting for?
Join us.
Be a member and enjoy like you are an owner.